Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the HDR in the pictures or video in the Motorola H30 Neo. So to do this, slide up and search for the application camera. There is an application and then upside here the high HDR is now disabled. Press and hold it, press one more time to making an auto. As you see, now the photo will be making with HDR. So in the video you don't have HDR here option. So as you see, we can only using the HDR only in photo in this phone and only in the standard automatic mode. In the mode professional we same don't have HDR. So the only way to make a photo with HDR on the auto trip is the making a standard photo. For now, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!